Umengameli uthi womabili lamazwe ayimisele ngokuba nobudlelwane bokuhwebelana.
We have been able to move ahead and not stall and not stand still. And so we are hugely encouraged that Finnish companies still see a great deal of attraction to be in this South African market.
Labaholi bagcizelele ubumqoka kokucija amakhono entsha emazweni abo ukuze athuthuke.
Africa is important, and South Africa is the most important place in Africa, in our minds. We all know how the population estimations are developing, and we all know that unlike in Finland, your population is very young. We are facing a very severe demographic developments in Finland, in Europe, in many other so-called developed countries. So you have a huge potential here in people.
Inkampani zaseFinland zithi maningi amathuba okudlondlobalisa ezamandla, ezamagugu ambiwayo kanye nezobuchwepheshe kuleli.